Welcome to Sounds of IBM. This is the first IBM Q Computation Center where the commercial quantum systems used by the IBM Q network live. The IBM Q network is a worldwide organization of industrial, research, and academic institutions joining IBM to advance quantum computing and launch the first commercial applications. Here we see a 20-qubit system, which will be accessed online by members of the IBM Q network. In the future, they will have access to 50-qubit systems, which IBM recently prototyped. Listen to the tinkling whoosh the system makes as it maintains the ultra-cold 15 millikelvin temperature required for IBM's superconducting qubits to operate. That's colder than outer space. Cold enough to make atoms almost completely motionless. This is an open dilution refrigerator that contains the qubits of niobium, silicon, and aluminum. It's so dark and cold inside that it's almost impossible to find even one photon of light. Join us and experience Sounds of IBM, the IBM Q Computation Center.